Hi guys, I have a new prank for Andre. I have the fake blood prank, like me I cough up some fake blood in the toilet. So I don't really think about all I hate, but I just want to do the intro video. Sorry for my ear, pull up my ear. Yeah. I go kinda cough up some fake blood in the toilet kind of situation, if you understand what I mean. So
Family. I go to war with my family. Ups and downs, wrong or right, this family. They think that we crazy. They say that we crazy, can't handle it. My back on the wall, who I'ma call my family? We different, we stick out, we got.
Down by the bay, where watermelons grow, back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, what are you
Andre! No. Blood I come out of my mouth. Blood, me a cough up blood. Come here. Andre, come here.
You fuck that shirt now?
I cough up blood, me didn't know. Come here, put on the baby in the crib and come here.
I'm buckling.
Andre, run, come now. Not my back. Not my back.
Listen.
Not my back. Fuck.
Oh, fuck that shirt now. The fuck the dog.
Go some water for me, please. Just say, mommy soon come, baby. Mommy soon come. You know what happened to me. Andre, come here. Yeah, eat that.
Fuck that, brother.
Yeah, eat that.
What that for?
It's a prank. Come here. Come here. Oh, Snacky. Come here, man. Come up in the lights. Teamwork.
Brother, I can't learn to call my kids.
Why? You think I breathe me up? Oh, for me, if I breathe and blood I come out of my mouth, Andre. This a doggy.